Ooh, look at that one. You should wait till the end too. You'll see the grand finale. You take a picture of the grand finale. That's when you shoot like 100 of them all at the same time.
Nice.
Can you see them, Nico? Ooh, that was a cool color.
Got a picture of that.
Boom. Ooh, that good spot, Mom.
Someone's drone is up there. You can see the lights from it. The lights from someone's drone are up there.
That drone's a great idea. Look at that drone's got the spot.
Yeah.
The drone is like hovering right there in front of us.
Yeah. I can see the light.
In your pictures?
No, I can see the light from the drone up there.
Can you see the fireworks through the city?
Yeah.
You can see that too? Oh, look at those cool colors. They're white and blue. Like your dress.
Oh my, that's a lot of red ones. That's a lot of red ones. That's a lot of red ones.
That. You want to see them
Stop.
closer?
No. Yeah. Uh-huh. I can see the drone light there. There's the, I can see the drone lights.
You can hear them.
Yeah. That's why I want to light fireworks. I want to. That's exactly why I want to light fireworks.